Hi Hina, I've just watched your amazing video and I thought I can't just reply with an email to that. It's just amazing what you've done. The way you'd set it up, the way you'd used all the fairy lights and the bunting and set all the books out. It just looked so warm and inviting. It's fantastic. Brilliant. That's exactly what that public living room is supposed to be used for. So I'm so pleased that you used it in that way, and I hope lots of people benefited from it. You can definitely use that video in your PPD2 assignment. So make sure that because that's a massive thing around influencing others. And also Beth's just mentioned potentially could use for your IPE as well. So definitely use that, and maybe team it up with a little reflection about how it felt, creating a space like that for people, and maybe some of the feedback that you got as well from the people that moved you. So brilliant work, well done, amazing.